SodaStream Fizzi Sparkling Water Bundle. After researching dozens of different soda machines, sparkling water makers, and soda siphons by several brands, it's clear that the best soda maker is the SodaStream Fizzi Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. This option is truly the real deal when it comes to buying a complete starter kit to help you start making your own sparkling water or virtually any type of carbonated beverage at home. Even though the price may seem a bit higher than some of the other options that you may be presented with, in the end, this bundle package will give you a better value. The kit comes with a fizzy, as well as additional accessories that ensure that you do not run out of the supermarket frequently in order to continue making delicious sparkling drinks at home. Apart from the main machine, you also get two 60-liter carbonators of CO2, three 1-liter carbonated bottles that can be used for making carbonated drinks, plus two 40-milliliter fruit drops flavor syrups. This ensures that upon delivery, you'll have a reliable machine to be able to make a considerable amount of sparkling water with extra carbonators and carbonating machines to craft several styles of fizzy drinks before you run out of supplies.